guys having fun?
Grabe, alam mo, Kuya Dong, si Coach Jules parang nag-have fun sa song choice eh. Sobrang grabe, sobrang di namin in-expect yung last song na yun. Pero both si Marian tsaka si Arian delivered their best in this show tonight. So sobrang congratulations.
Arian, lupit mo talaga. Medyo nagsisisi ako dito sa batang to.
Marian, yung performance mo ngayon ay maraming mapapaiyak nung narinig yung rendition mo kasi maraming dinededicate yung kantang yan sa mga minamahal nila sa buhay. Hindi siya madali para i-translate na galing sa bata. Pero there was the authenticity, yung may pagkatotoo. Because honestly, how can someone sing something that heartbreaking and how personal is this song to a lot of people? And sa murang edad mo, I think you really did an excellent job. Really, really good. Dito naman kay Arian, nasiraan ka ba ng baliw?
Ba ano?
sa edad ko ngayon, hindi ko na-expect na pwedeng ganun mga kanta sa isang kompetisyon. For some reason, Arian, it worked to your advantage. It really works. Nakuha mo. And not just girls had fun. Us boys, we had fun too. So we had fun sa performance mo. To the both of you, good luck sa inyo. Coach Julie! Ang laki ng problema mo ngayon, girl.
Sobrang napaproud ako sa inyo individually. Kay Marian, grabe yung consistency. I love your consistency. That's what I love about you. You've been consistent since day one. Talagang, there's so much emotions pagka kumakanta ka. So parang, daming elemento na, daming mong elemento as a kid, as a young kid. To Arian naman, hindi ko in-expect na magiging ganong kaganda yung performance mo. Kasi from the last rehearsals natin, there were struggles, may mga challenges tayo na kailangan nating harapin. And napaproud ako sa'yo, sobrang proud ako sa'yo kasi nalampasan mo yun. And talagang gustong-gusto ko kasi yung smile mo kaya ngiti ka nga dyan. Kaya ako binigay sa'yo yung Girls Just Wanna Have Fun because I want you to have fun. You're a kid. You have a lot of blessings and napakadami mong opportunities para sa'yo on the table. Congratulations! And I'm sure sa sakit ng ulo ko, mamaya mag-uusap-usap kami. Kaya, be right back. Umalis.
Good luck sa'yo, Coach Julie. Good luck. Alam ko, mabigat na desisyon to. So eto na, napakinggan na natin ang 4 na bagets mula sa Benkada at 4 na alaga ni Coach Julie. Malalaman na natin kung sino ang pipiliin nilang umusad sa semifinals when The Voice Kids returns.